Hey guys, so today we are going to be learning about the circulatory system. So the human body has 11 different systems, and the circulatory system includes the heart and the blood vessels of the body. So the heart is the main organ, and along with the blood vessels, it is in charge of moving blood throughout the entire body, and it brings nutrients and oxygen to all of the cells from our head to our toes. And then it brings all the waste back through the system to be cleaned out in our heart. So the blood vessels are called arteries and veins. The arteries take the blood away from the heart to the rest of the body, and then the veins help to take it all the way back to the body, or to the heart. This process is constantly occurring. It is nonstop. Blood is always pumping through our bodies, and it's always circulating. So, to help demonstrate how the heart and the veins work together to pump the blood throughout the body, I have created this visual representation to kind of show a smaller idea of how it works. So what's going to happen is the blood is going to squeeze shut. So it's going to squeeze, and as the heart is pumping, obviously, this is in slow motion because this is happening so fast. It is putting water through the veins right here into the rest of the body. And as the heart begins to expand again, you can see all that blood coming back through the system. The balloons are deflated and the blood is coming back into the heart. And then as it pumps again, you can see all the water going through the system, filling up the balloons, and then as it expands again, you can see the balloons begin to deflate. So that is just a visual representation of how the circulatory system works. So there are also many different diseases that can affect how the blood flows through the body. For example, clots can form in the arteries that cut off the blood flow to the rest of the body. So as we think of the representation, the visual I just had, think of bending the piping for one of the veins or arteries, blood vessels, and then pumping the water bottle. This balloon is going to stay deflated because the water is not going to be able to get through here, just as if it was a clot, the water wouldn't be able to get through the blood vessel. There are many other different types of diseases that can affect the blood vessels and the circulatory system. For example, coronary heart disease means that all the blood vessels are narrowed and much smaller, so blood flow is much more difficult to happen through the entire body. So here's your guys' challenge. I want you to think of how you could show other types of diseases through this visual representation. How could you, for example, show this coronary heart disease? Can you think of any other types of diseases that can be shown by making adjustments to this representation? For example, high blood pressure, where the heart pumps too fast and causes your blood pressure to increase. How could you show this through this representation? Can you think of any other diseases that can be shown? Let me know.